tulips in a twist. Hand up boss like communist. No, I can never ever get back all the things I missed. But I'm that man, they think you got the gist.
This is the Puma City Gradient. Now, this is a real good homage to the early 80s rider range.
Got your tulips in a twist. Hand up boss like communist.
Believe it or not, the rider range was a legit running trainer with tech that made the running world stand up and pay attention to. But these days, the rider range is not designed for running, it's more designed for lifestyle. And these particular trainers, the City, are designed for urban living.
No, I can never ever get back all the things I missed.
You may think, why the hell we're talking about the City riders? Because this is old. You know, the range is now coming out, end of line. But why we're talking about it? Well, bear with me and you'll understand why I think this trainer, you need to have a look at it.
I'm that man, they think you got the gist.
So the original rider were the light rider, fast rider, and track rider. And these particular sneakers, as I said earlier on, they made the running world pay attention to. They were designed for running and were used a lot. And they had technology then which they thought was groundbreaking. These times, the rider has moved on. So we've recently seen wild riders, we've seen future riders, and we've seen all other types of riders which Puma have pushed out. So they've really been pushing this range. Now, the latest is the FV, Future Vintage. Now, let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a review of these, and also let me know what colorway you would want me to do a review on. Now back to the Puma City riders. Now these Puma City riders do look closely like the early 80s, and I think it does look really good, but it has that modern type touch. Let's delve into it. The trainer itself, in terms of its design, it is very clean. It is also very lightweight, which is cool. So that will help for your everyday urban walking around. Now the materials that they use is suede. So you've got suede at the toe box and you've got suede on the heel. But also you have a synthetic leather. Now that's understandable because the price of this sneaker is £75 when it first came out, but now, and this is one of the reasons why we're talking about it, it is £42. £42, can you really turn your nose up at it? Now, not all the City ranges are nice, the colorways are great, but there's some really good colorways, and I would advise you to have a look at the ones with the suede and synthetic leather, but have a look at those colorways and those color blockings. There's a really nice one, the blue, red and white one, which I chose the black one because I think that's more versatile, but that color I was drawn to, and there's others, so have a look. Puma went with the nylon on the upper part of the sneaker, so from the toe box to the back of the heel you got that nylon material in black. That's really nice because it's a nice contrast. The colorway is Glacier Grey Puma Black, which is quite good, so the contrast is really nice. Other features which I like is the fact that you got the fake leather, which is on the lateral and medial side, and you've got the Puma foam strip, which is in white. Again, that's fake leather, which has the stitching on the outer, which looks like a border to the Puma foam strip. I think that looks really nice, and I do like that detail. One of the main features on this sneaker is the back part, which has the Puma logo, and it's a rubber type material with a gradient going from black to glacier white, or glacier grey, which is a good look. You will find also Puma foam strip logo on the tab at the back, and also the Puma logo on the tongue, but that's written and it's embossed. The tongue itself is a nylon material and it's quite light, so that again is quite nice. I would say it's more of a summer trainer than a winter trainer. However, it's up to you how you wear it. Another feature that I like is the 2PU heel counter at the bottom, which is black, glossy, and it looks really good. So again, that adds to the detail of this sneaker. Also, you have the iconic midsole, which is formed of the IMEVA material. So that's injection molded ethylene vinyl acetate. Yeah, so that was the cushioning technology that they used before. So this is a polymer which is molded, squished, squashed. In this case, injection molded into shape. And then you have the outsole, and you got the iconic tread pattern with these circles. Now, this is the technology coupled with the EVA, the IMEVA material, which gave the extra cushioning that the runner of the 80s needed in order to complete their races or in order to be competitive. This might not be so prominent. So if you look at the traction pattern, you can see that this is more prominent, but the aim of this was to distribute force. So the impact force would come down, or the runner will run and strike the floor, and these bits are meant to distribute the force. Also, the fact that at the back you had the wider heel. Again, this was for stability and also to take impact as well. And then you got the cut-off heel, or this edged, or the short, I'm not sure what you call it, but at the back. Again, that might be more design than function. Comfort in this trainer, comfort is really good. The cushioning system, EVA, coupled with the insole, is really good. No problems with that. Size-wise, buy true to size. There's no issue with that. Front toe box is cool. There's a bit of space. Back heel is cool. No issue.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get.
On conclusion, this is a clean sneaker. Now, as I said, and I've mentioned it earlier on, £42. Worst case scenario, if you were to buy this trainer, you would definitely use it as a daily trainer. As it was designed for, it's designed for city living, everyday, urban, going out and doing whatever.
You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know.
Consider subscribing to the channel for many more videos which are reviewing new, old and hype sneakers. Hit the like button because that also helps the channel. And for another fire Puma video, another rider video, then consider having a look at this video.